Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing an unboxing and an assembly featuring the studio cart that I purchased from Walmart. So let's get started. See, your girl gotta put back on the glasses before she can do anything. Okay. What in the heck? You in my business? Don't do that. How did I forget that little red pack? So I'm just gonna pull all these out because my Sue has no time. Washies. You can't see the washies. And then they just keep sliding out my hand. So I had to take a break because the girl was hungry. So let me tell y'all something. I found out that I was putting the washers on wrong the whole time. So I had to go back in and redo them because clearly my sense wasn't coming at that time. Okay, I'm going to show you all our progress so far. So this is what we have. I've got to do my hair. Okay guys, now we have to put on these knobs individually, so let's get started. So let me tell y'all a little bit about myself. I love to craft. I am Ambitious Beauty. And my idea of ambitious beauty has nothing to do with actually things that make you beautiful. I am 31. I am a mom of 4. I am a work-at-home mom. But my passion is creating. I love to create everything. I love numbers too, but I love to create everything, anything. And I originally chose to do YouTube because so many people, my party snacks was gaining traction, and so many people was asking me, how do you do it? How do you do it? What paper do you use? And all of those things. And it was just sort of kind of hard to reply to everyone. So I was thinking if I just did it on YouTube, I could just answer the hard questions that they have. Individually, they could write me, but the basic stuff of how to create them, I can just go ahead and show them. Anything I could do to help. I am an entrepreneur, and I've had my locks for about 7 years. I've been natural for 11 years now. So back to our regular programming. I wish I would have known I would have had to put all these little individuals together. I don't know why I expected this to come already put together. Expected too much. We still got like 12 more of these to go. Ain't 12, but boy, it feel like it's a million. It ain't a million, but boy, it feel like it's a lot. But it's probably like 6. This is where we are. Time to put on the drawers. Okay guys, so this is what our stuff looks like. And there you have it, our new craft cart. And thanks for watching. I hope you had a great day putting together this cart with me. So be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button to join the ambitious committee. And as always, stay ambitious!